see if I can see the deep. I gotta check these mule deer out. I gotta check these mule deer out, man. That's a 4-star mule deer. How old is he? How old is he? Oh, that's a 4-star mule deer. He he might hit 5-star, but he might not. If he has bad genetics, he won't hit 5-star and he will die and I will never see him again. But if he does I think I'm gonna take the chance of shooting him because I don't want him to die. And not be... I don't want him to die because this will be my first good one. That I'll put this one in the lodge. Yes, if I kill this one, I'm putting him in the lodge because this is my first 4-star. That's a 2-star. And it's a 2-star adult. A 1-star adult. Oh, he's looking at me. He knows. He knows. He knows. He knows. And I know he knows. My. He knows. And I know he knows. Imagination. I see. He bedded down. He bedded down, everybody. That was a good shot. Oh, that was my first full. So he can either have really good genetics and he could have hit 5-star, or he had bad genetics and he being nowhere near. I think I got double lung. Dead. Done. Done. He's done. Don't get a good picture. I'm not gonna get a good picture with him, so. But he's done. What I hit. I double lunged him. Oh, 96% genetics. He might have hit 5-star, but that was a huge risk to take. And I am not taking that risk of him not hitting 5-star. Hunter trying to just get money, shoot stuff. See if we can see what time is it. It's 9:05. But I think wind speed kinda matters, kinda doesn't matter. We're trying to hit 400 followers by the end of the year, 50 to 100 subs on YouTube, and 2,000 follows on TikTok. So if y'all want, hit that follow button if y'all are enjoying this content and if y'all are liking it, and help me hit my goals of all the stuff on all the social medias. I've never really stand hunted in this game, so I don't know how long it can take for something to come out. So we're gonna wait a few minutes and see. Ooh, here they come. Here comes something. Mountain goats. Oh, okay. We need bighorn. I think wind is important for your smell. For your smell and your bullet accuracy. The animals in this game can smell and hear really good and see. So it's important for smell, accuracy, and everything. Adult, female, young, female, adult, young, mature. Level 5, mature! Oh man, I think we're gonna take him. Everybody. That's a level 5. I think it's that one. My first level 5 animal is going to be that mountain goat. Because we got a level 4 mule deer earlier. This level 5 mountain goat will be pretty dope. Is that him? No, that's mature. If I don't shoot him and I come back later, he can die from old age on this game. I'm gonna wait to see if we can find that black bighorn sheep, and if we can't, I think we're gonna take him. Oh man, I think we should just take him now. Shoot that thing before he gets away. Yeah, I think you're right. I think it's this one. Let me make sure before I mess something up. Hey, it is that one. He's 100 yards out. 0 for 50. Oh my god. I think he smoked. Oh, he's slowing down. He just bedded. He bedded. I think we got him. Yeah, he just bedded down. If I run over there right now, he can jump up, take off again. So we gotta wait for him to die, because he just bedded. Oh, we're going to check him out. That was a really good shot. That was a really good shot. Look at him. Top of the lung. 93% genetics. I'm gonna tax this guy because